guys, nandito tayo sa where we are, Taguig, Bonifacio Street. The Fort. So yan. Ngayon ang first day ni Nathan na lumabas. Lumabas dito sa...
That's my third time.
Is it third time?
Yeah, first I went Daddy and me to...
Parang Singapore dito.
And then second we go to the Marine Park.
Wala lang, gala-gala. Show ko.
And then the other one is...
Oops.
And here we're going to turn the corner. You count how many cars have their indicator. All of these cars in front of us
Ang daming building
will be
dito.
turning left, but there's only one car plus myself.
So ayan guys, mali ang nilalabasan namin. Punta kami dito sa McKinley Hill. Paikot na naman kami. Dapat punta kami sa market. Is it is expensive to live here, honey?
Yes.
Which one is more expensive? It's here or Makati?
Here, where is she?
So ayan guys, yung Venice. Is it Venice that one? No.
Yes.
Ayan, Venice.
I need this Honda to decide on which lane he wants to drive in. Because he's self-entitled.
So ayan to yung Venice.
Same as his taxi driver.
What do you call that? Venice Grand Canal Mall. Ayan. So ayan siya. Oops. Ayan. Tignan nyo naman ang driver namin.
No,
Just
just stay
go.
away from idiots.
Alam niyo guys, mamamatay ako sa heart attack dito pag siyang driver.
Haha.
Nakakatakot siya mag-drive. Ginagawang racing.
Yeah.
Ginagawang racing dito sa road.
Yep.
Oh. Ayan guys, that guy. So you know
This road
where
is
you going?
different now.
Ayan. You know where we going, darling?
Yes, I'm on the road to Market again. See, we're going to the fort.
Ayan guys, mag-sightseeing tayo ngayon. Umikot-ikot kami.
Came out of the building and I had no way to go back. It was a one-way street.
Yeah. Katabi niya lang guys, pero ibang exit na linabasan namin. Linabasan pa talaga.
So now we're going to get past the War Memorial in a few minutes.
It's like, you know, all the street here. Maybe you've been dating someone here. Oh, that's cemetery, guys.
War Memorial.
Huh?
US War Memorial.
US Memorial. Yan, paikot-ikot lang guys. Dito kami sa maganda rin kasi may tuturo ko kayo dito sa oh, ayan guys. US Memorial.
War Memorial, yes.
much better. Maglakad na lang. Nakakangawit ang maghawak ng ganito.
It's got a red arrow, but no one's obeying.
Boom. So na-tour ko ba kayo guys dito sa BGC? What do you think it's good title of this one? BGC sightseeing?
BGC shopping and sightseeing.
Ayan, bumalik kami guys. Galing kami kanina dito. Ayan na naman, nag-umpisa na lang.
Well, I can't drive that slow. It's very difficult.
Ayan, dito kami galing kanina. Tapos, nag-exit kami dun sa likod. Kaya yun, umikot na naman kami. Ang layo yung inikutan namin. Yung hirap. So, yan yung Serendra. Alam nyo guys, pag ayan, tumira kayo dyan sa Serendra, alam nyo isang kwarto. Aabot siya ng 80 plus, 80,000 per room. But, how many square meter, honey?
When I lived here, I was paying 85, but that was 9 years ago, babe. Be a lot more now.
Yeah, maybe 100,000
Plus.
100,000 plus per month. Ayan, pag tumira ka dyan guys, yeah. Ano yan? Sisayangin mo bang 100,000 plus per month? Ako, kung ako yan,
They're not big rooms.
maliliit lang yung room. I think it's 80 square meter, honey?
It was 85.
85 square meter per room.
It's 2 bedroom.
Pero may maliliit din na room. Yan. Tingnan mo ba?
That was in Serendra too, right over there actually. Right on the corner building.
So, yan.
Up there.
Yung building na dun.
On the
Tingnan mo,
one-
85 nung 9 years ago. 85,000 month.
Yeah, it's the one
So, baka ngayon
cantilevering out at the top.
Impossible naman na maraming mga taong nagbabayad din. I don't think so. There's still people live there.
I'm
Do you
sure they do.
Maybe it's a lot of bacon. Because it's so expensive.
That's pretty normal.
Hindi naman siya magandang building guys. Pero bakit ang mahal? Ayan, SM Aura. Ayan. Alam niyo guys, dun sa taas, maganda yung mag-picture at maganda rin makipag-date sa taas.
I don't like this grab guy being so close to the front of the car. He's not
So
concentrating
tignan nyo
anyway.
guys, busy si Kuya Grab car. Very close sa car. Ayan, hayaan mo siya dyan guys. Pag nasagi ay magreklamo.
Playing with his telephone,
Ayan.
and you know he's going to cut in front of you. So you got to wait for him, because he's self-entitled. Because I don't really want to run over him, even though he's a fool. Play with your telephone, that's okay.
See? Maraming tao na ngayon guys. Katulad nung nakaraan, wala masyado. Ayan, crowded ang tao. Naka-lockdown pa rin kami dito guys. Pero makikita nyo naman, maraming tao. GCQ? We are under GCQ, right?
Yes. See, it's a green light, but he's not moving. Can't wait for him.
So ayan guys, market. Welcome to market. Ang vlog ko ngayon guys, walang kwenta. maybe wala tayong magawa. Traffic. Ayan pala yung dyan nag-work si Philip before.
It's Surrender 1.
I thought you worked here before.
I worked over there where it's a
Ay,
fitness
mali.
centre now.
Ay, mali pala ako guys. Sorry.
But I lived over at Surrender 1 as well as Surrender 2, just back there. Twice. South Market as well.
I don't know why I have sore boobs at the moment.
Really, are you recording that?
Yeah.
Okay, babe. You got sore boobs. Good for you.
Watch out.
I'm trying to. See, he's got 100 dents in his car. He don't care. And it's obvious he don't care. He got so many dents everywhere. He's an expert driver. Professional.
Yan yung sira yung taxi na yan guys.
Yep. The dent today keeps the policeman away. I don't think so. But he has dolls in the back, babe. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Maybe that's why he's got so many dents. He can't see behind him. Oh, they're going to race. There they go. They're off. They're going to cut each other off. I got to get over there as well. I look at.
Alam guys, pag hindi pa pala ako naka-seatbelt.
Hey, put your seatbelt on.
Kalimutan ko mag-seatbelt.
She's very unsafe. I put my seatbelt on all the time and I remind her all the time, but she only wants to be a temporary citizen through the windscreen. Hey babe.
Yeah.
New wife?
What?
No, I don't want a new wife. I'll just be single for the rest of my life.
Ah.
I'll have a happy life then.
What the heck?
You know that saying, happy wife, happy life?
Yeah.
Oh, what a load of bullshit that is.
Yes, of course. Because your life miserable if you won't let
When you're
happy
single,
your
you're
wife.
happy. When you have a partner, oh, they make your life a misery because they need to be happy.
Tingnan nyo, ang daming reklamo nitong lalaking to.
Oh.
Ibenta nga natin. And for sale, how much?
By the way, people, it's 100 times better to be single. You don't have to put up with any misery from anyone. Hey, babe.
Tingnan nyo naman to. For sale ko na nga guys. Kasi nga, ayan.
Very cheap.
Ayan. Mag-bid lang kayo guys. If how much?
Free.
Free.
So long as you go home.
Ayan. Free daw guys.
Yeah. No more attachments for me. None. Zero. See, my wife, she was actually dreaming she was getting married the other night.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
He wake me up.
I wake
I'm
her up.
dreaming I'm choosing a dress.
Yeah. No, it might come true one day. That's why she said she was so disappointed. I was getting married. Really? Okay. Well, we're not married? Oh, okay. That's okay. Was he good looking? Yes. Oh, well. Maybe you should go back to sleep then.
No, I didn't say good looking because I don't know the guy, but I'm getting married and then I'm choosing a dress and then he wake me up.
Spoiled her dream. Oh my god. Such a killjoy. But anyway, it's okay. Her horoscope said she will get a new boyfriend this year.
No, it's not horoscope.
What
It's
is
just
it?
a game in the Facebook that you tap the
Oh.
what's your New Year resolution. Just like that. And
Get a
then
new
it's pop up. I'm gonna find a new boyfriend.
Oh, you need to make it come true. That way I can be happy.
I don't think so.
Oh, really? Oh, I will be. Trust me. No, that won't happen. Males are not allowed to be happy. It's a prerogative of the world today to
Ayan guys,
say
alam nyo, tamad.
females are the only one that count.
What?
Males have to be slaves.
Maybe the YouTube won't allow me again, honey.
It's okay.
To.
YouTube, all those rich elites, All the rich elites want to dominate the world, want to reset the world.
Do you know where you're gonna
Bunch of
park?
fools.
Honey?
Yeah, in the car park over here, mate. I'm in a car. I'm going to a car park. You don't like me talking, do you?
Sometimes I don't like it. Sometimes I hate it.
Well,
Ganun lang guys.
don't like and hate. That's okay. But I'm very honest.
I mean, you guys, ayan, inikot namin. Diyan kami lumabas kanina. Ay, no, I'm wrong. The
Well-
other side.
Well,
They're closed.
it's closed.
How you can park? I dare.
Here we go up the end.
Just watch out the taxi driver.
Well, I'm not going to go in there.
Here!
No.
Parking, oh!
Oh, so they say, but I'll go.
Let's see. That's parking, honey.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, where are you gonna park here?
It's a bit of a mess to park there. See the
Driver,
open
right?
area behind up here? That's where I'm going to park. But I'll probably have to go around the block.
Nagpagod.
Unless I can go in here. Yes,
Goodness.
I can. Maybe.
Goodness.
Maybe.
Hi. Ayun guys, ay, ganito yung mahirap pag may sasakyan ka. Maganda pag minsan dami ng sasakyan. Kaso ang hirap mag-park, nakakainis. Ang layo-layo pa. Kaya mas maganda na lang mag-taxi. Wala kang problema. Baba ka, tapos pag gusto mo sumakay, sakay ka lang. Hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng parking. Tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo naman. Crowded.
Always crowded.
Goodness. Jazz Innovative Office Interiors. I think they are building designer.
Yeah. There's someone.
Good.
Security's in the middle of the road.
Eh. Oh, lucky. Lucky you. Lucky you.
Lucky me, but that other car's taking up part of the car park.
So yan, park lang guys. Ayan. Ganito lang guys, mag-video lang ako para may ma-upload. So what building of that is the SM Aura guys.
Hey, I can see
Eto.
an aeroplane.
Ayan.
I can
SM
see an
Aura.
aeroplane going down.
Diba?
Mama?
Letter L.
Mama? Mama?
I'm doing video. And this is Serendra.
Surrender is
Serendra 1 or 2?
3, I think.
3. Oh, ayan. Yan guys, Serendra. Ba't ba ako nakamas? Nasa loob naman ako ng kotse.
Mama?
Ingot-ingot din ako minsan.
Mama, I've been in Simpsons Hood 2 times. Now it's my 3rd time going to.
So, ito yung SM Aura. Ayan, di ba? Wala lang.
So go up and park and go here first. We might stop at the front past them. Yes, it is.
Grabe yung wheels niya ng bisikleta niya guys.
Yes. First.
Ayan. Oh, beside. Bayan ang ating driver po. Just go.
You're a fool, babe. Wait until you learn to drive.
If I'm gonna drive, my gosh.
Yeah, you'll be another one of these Filipinos on the road that never use an indicator, think they own 4 lanes, can do whatever they like, and then think they're in the right. And being impolite Filipino driver that won't allow a person to cross over even though they have their indicator on.
Bang.
Bang. They are the worst drivers in the world.
Really?
Well, no, they're rated as number 3 actually, behind China and India. But
You will wait when I know how to drive.
they really have no idea about road rules here. And it's so easy to get a license here. You don't even know how to drive, and you can get a license here. People get licenses here just to get an ID. It's so easy to get a license. Because if they made it hard, a lot of these fools on the road wouldn't even be there.
Home now?
Huh?
Are we going home now?
What do you think?
Mate, you're not
Or
allowed
go-
to. You're not allowed to go into any malls. No children under 17 allowed. If you went up to the door, they'd say, "Sorry, you're not allowed." It's like this person here. He wants to drive on the wrong side of the road,
'Cause he want to
just
go
to go around the corner. It's like he can't stay in his own lane. He needs 2 lanes. Oh, see, he's going on the wrong side of the road because he thinks he's allowed to. Oh, and there's a taxi driver doing the same thing. Oh, there's another blue car doing the same. Motorbike. This car. They don't realise they're going head on into the wrong side of traffic. And see, if you look across there, those people will be coming up into those lanes that these fools who've got licenses.
Daming complain yung driver natin,
Not
guys.
complaining. It's like there are so many fools. Like this idiot, he's just going to come out in front of me anyway. Yeah, because he thinks he's allowed to.
What do you think?
He doesn't have to wait.
This one is the electric car? No. Is it?
That one in front is a bus.
No, I mean it's electric bus.
No. See the exhaust pipe coming out of the back?
Oh, it means it's not.
Yeah, if it was electric, it wouldn't have an exhaust pipe.
Okay.
Okay?
So ayan, ang ikot-ikot lang kami, guys. Nag-ikot-ikot lang around.
It's very hard to drive here in Manila because you not only have to look after your own vehicle in your own lane, sometimes you have to share it with people who want it, and you know, it's just hard. You have to look in your rear vision mirror, your side mirrors all the time because you'll have motorbikes. They don't.
So, dito guys, yung mga rich people.
So this is where rich people live?
Yep, in this area.